Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In this video I am going to be sharing with you fun activity with Play-Doh which help to encourage children to find motor development. So let's start with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficial. It's time to start having some fun with Play-Doh. For this, we need Play-Doh. You can use different brands and different colors of Play-Doh, rolling pins and some stencils. Take Play-Doh, smash it, flatten it. You can also flatten it with rolling pin. Build shape with stencil. With Play-Doh, children can enhance hand and eye coordination. Wow, how easy it is. I did it. You can also make it in snake form by rolling and squashing. It encourages free writing, cutting with a scissor and holding a pencil. Now time is over. See you soon with another artwork. Allah Hafiz.